So let me explain myself before you guys get me wrong why I didn't ask the lady if she wanted to go to the hospital, because other people did anyway. But sometimes in that situation, it's not about an injury, it's about shame. It's an embarrassment to fall down in of to fall in front of so much people. It's very plumpy, it's got bits in it, but that's fine. Maybe it needs ice, but I can blend it somewhere if I want. But guess what? I don't want. It is what it is. Guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Well, today is Saturday, and this is how I went to work. Don't judge me. I had a bad hair day today. I tried to catch up my hair, but I don't know, it wouldn't work. I know the middle is small. Not small, short I should say. But geez, I had to just throw this on and go to work. It is what it is. I just came home. I'm a bit tired, but you know, I stopped at the nail shop and got my nails done. It's the same old thing, but it's fresh set. It looks good. I like it like that. It's not over the top. It's just, what do you call it, underestimated. And that's how I like it, low-key. Anyway, just got home. I'm gonna find something to eat, do some washing, and then like getting my things prepared for dinner tomorrow, like season up the meat, and you know, we do rice and peas, or some people call it red kidney beans. So I'm gonna soak that and then have a wash and get ready for bed. I don't know if I'm doing anything exciting this week, but you know, if I'm doing anything, I'll take you along. So guess what? I see you later. By the way, just to say, guess who booked a night shift? Only me. I only did it because of my manager. She is gonna be working for stock taking the night, and she wanted me to join her, but Lord, I'm dreading it. It's in June, so I've got a couple weeks to think about it, but Jesus, can I keep up? The money is the incentive for me to be doing it, and no customer, less stress, but more work. But let's see if I can manage the night shift. It's gonna be a treat. Hey, morning guys. So today is Sunday. My mission for today is tidy up the house, give it a once over. It's pretty much tidy, but I need to like tidy up a bit more so it can ride through the week, because this week is, you know, it's holiday and stuff like that, and we're working, plus I want to go out tonight as well. So my mission for today is, now I'm tidying up the house, then I've got some washing in, and I'm gonna make some smoothie, and I'm gonna do juicing, plus I've got to cook dinner. So that's my mission for today. But let me focus now and tidy my lovely bathroom. And then I'll head in the bedroom and go upstairs. Maybe I'll show you how I make my smoothie because I bought some fruit in the tin. Never used it before, but I'm gonna start saving money from not buying it in the shop, because I know in the shop it's not that healthy because it's so sweet. But I got some ingredients. First, I'm gonna try out the tin. It's not fresh fruit. Some are fresh, some are tin. Don't judge the girl. I'm trying to be frugal. So I'm gonna make that in a minute, but let me just continue. I just want to check in and say good morning and the blessed, because it's a beginning of another week. Let's give thanks, because guess what? Some people didn't rise to see this morning, and we have. So you know what? Praise be to the one. See you later. Hey guys. So I'm about to make my smoothie. And as I said, I'm using, let me position you properly. I'm using some tin fruit. So I've got tin plum mango, and this is what it looks like. It comes in liquid. And then I'm using some tin pineapple. You know what pineapple looks anyway, but it's in I pour it out in a container. And then I using some peach, and this is the Savers brand. So yep, this is what it looks like. And then the last tin fruit, I'm using mandarin pieces, and that's it. Use it. This is real fruit now. This is papaya, and this is blackberry I got from the market, and I'm gonna mix it with coconut water. So let's see how this tastes. I'm using all of this. I've got plenty in it and wrapping up, so I'm using all the papaya, and then all of this one, the blackberry. blackberry. Why couldn't it name purple berry? It's not even black, it looks purple. I don't know what they're talking about. Why I put it in the container is because I'm going to freeze some for another day. Yeah. I hope this tastes nice, you know. Maybe I don't even have to use coconut water, because the juice from all this thing is very juicy. Juicy. And then the mango. Alright. Let's blend that and see how it goes. From now on, my feet are in the hands of the North Koreans. After intense wait, we're allowed on our way to Pyongyang. I didn't even put any coconut water because it's so full already. It's so dark. It's the black blackberry, purple berry. One for I don't like the color. But guess what? It's not about the color. It tastes good. Anyway, this is the color. It's dark. Like me. Chocolatey. I can't even speak. Okay. I'm gonna cook some dinner. I need to do a facial. I'm wondering, should I do it today or do it tomorrow? It depends on when I have time. Anyway, I'm gonna cook dinner. Try to make edit my last week vlog to go out today or tomorrow. It all depends on the time. But then I'll see you. Guys, morning, wagwan. So today is Monday, bank holiday Monday, and I'm so jealous. So jealous because while all my old soul is sleeping, I'm off to work. Trust me, the work never stops. There I am, I'm in the lift. Work never stop, and trust me, today is gonna be a busy day because there's no school. Bank holiday means it's a public holiday. No school, nothing. So everyone will be out shopping. But if I can, I'll vlog a little bit. So I'll see you on the rest of the day. So as expected, my face shiny. Don't worry, I put oil on it. I'm gonna do a facial because I'll use some serum that affected my face. I can see some little things all over it, so I put some oil on it to keep it moist because it keeps drying out, and trust me, when it dry out it'll look good. Anyway, as expected, the road is so dead because to the holiday and everybody in them bed. But it's only certain things and places are on holiday, like schools and stuff like that. But for retail, today is the selling day. So, you know, as I said before, expected it's gonna be crowded, but there's gonna be a lot of stuff, because if the people that works from Monday to Friday, if they didn't book it off as an holiday, they'll be showing up today with the weekend stuff. So if they didn't, everyone will be there. So I'll see some of my good friends. Anyway, if I feel like, I'll vlog a little bit in the city. Look at the weather. It's so cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like it, but it may not. Anyway, see you later.
तू चल ली
It's just cheese, it's got six bottles. There's a mini service for Mom. But you've got no good. You can see that like.
Morning guys, happy Tuesday. Well, I guess you must tired of seeing me in a scarf, or we call it tired or stuff like that, and my natural hair. But don't worry, I've ordered my braids from AliExpress. I'm waiting for delivery. You know they don't deliver that quick, but I can wait it out, no problem. So recap from yesterday. So you know I went to work, and boy, when I came back I was so tired. The way I was speaking to my mom, the way I was so tired, I was on the phone to my mom and my brother, and I was listening. I could hear everything, but I wanted to sleep so bad. Then I went to bed, and I told my friend wake me up 9 o'clock because I want to watch The Housewife of Cheshire. That's the English version. And you know, she called me twice. I missed the first call, and then she rang me back again. I did answer. I did watch it for about 5 minutes, and that's it. When I woke up, everything was done till it was like 2 other shows that came on after. But it is what it is, because listen, when it's bank holiday / public holiday, yeah, and most people are not working, yeah, the others get up, because retail, that's their best, one of the best selling days. So everybody wake up and say, you know what, let me go shopping. Look, I don't have anything to do, I'm not in a rush. So you know, when they're not in a rush, they spend loads of time in the shop, loads of time. There was people, but it is what it is, isn't it? So now I'm gonna run some errands, because today is the Tuesday. I'm going to the supermarket now to pick up a little bit of shopping, not a lot, and then I've got to dash to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription. And you know, if this girl don't have her tablets, you know, touch wood, there's no wood in this car, but touch whatever, if I don't take my medication, my allergic reaction will be like flaring up on me. And touch wood, it hasn't happened in a long while, and that I'm grateful for, because when you see my eyes swollen, my lips are swollen, they think I got beat up. But it is what, if you know me, you'll understand that nothing like that. Anyway, later is my class, so I want to do all that thing, come home and cook and get a little bit of rest to go to class. So let me start driving so I can dash and do everything I'm supposed to do. And if I don't check in today, I'll check in tomorrow. So see you later. Hi guys, welcome. So today is Wednesday. So yesterday I went to school and all that. And as you can see, I'm at home, so I'm not working today. So I'm going to do I've done all the housework and everything. I'm going to do a facial, because the other day I think it's a serum or something I put on my face, and it gave me a rash, and it was like, it was so painful. And then when I tried to clean it with the alcohol, it burns. So I know, yeah, there was something there. And then I got rid of it, and then it went dry. If you could see in my last video, You could see, because the camera was up close, so you could see all the dry spot. And trust me, I'm in my 40s and I don't really get pimples, but I get rash. So doing a facial and de-stress myself. I'm relaxing because plus, yo, last night I don't know what's going on with my back, but my back was killing me. I had to take a pill and go straight to bed. Anyway, I'm using the, if you can see, the mud face mask. I've got a little in here. I'm gonna, listen, want not, waste not. So I'm gonna use the little I have and apply it, and then I'll leave it for a while. Plus I got this, it's a Nixie, if you can see. It's a oil for moms. It's a face and body oil. I use it on my face because, you know, that thing got my face so dry. And I think the Nixie is like the bio oil where you can put on stretch marks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use it. I've been using it anyway. So after this, I wash the mask off then. Then I applied it after my moisturizer. So get with the program. Oh God. So tired. Listen, this girl don't waste nothing. Have you seen the price of everything? I go supermarket this week, and the following week I pay a different price for the same product. Cost of living is getting so high. It's crazy, and it's everywhere. Everywhere. If you're making a house in Jamaica, I only can talk about my experience in Jamaica because that's where I'm from. If you're making a house, bloody hell, cement and stuff like that is so expensive. Listen, and then when it's expensive, you're like, I'm not gonna do it. But you know what? You need to start, because that's how cost of living is getting higher and higher every time. It's not going down. It's getting higher and higher. So you better start building your property. Because unless you want to stay in an hotel and get all the hotel living. I've never stayed in a hotel. I would like to experience that. And I stayed like a one night stuff, but it's not like the all inclusive, like the Rio and stuff like that. But I'd like to experience that as well. I know. So I've applied this, so what I'm gonna do, I'll save this for another application. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my butt in front of the TV for, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it on, because I'm not in a rush, to say the least. So when I'm washing it off, I'll bring you back. Look at my face. Hey, 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 hey. I'm back again. Ooh. You know, water is so hot. is how we do it. This is how we do it, baby. This is how we do it. It's Friday night. You might say, oh my God, this girl, she likes to do facial. I'm not gonna lie, I do. Keep my face so cool. So cool. So this is my cream. Yep, I like a facial. That's why I don't really have loads of spots. And look, my battery is about to die. If it dies, I might just change it. If I'm not that lazy. This is my dupe moisturizer. And after these batteries, they don't really last long, do they? Let me light up my face, and then after I'm gonna leave it to dry, and then after it dry, then I put my oil, and that will keep it moist all day. Look, my eyebrows are growing. Don't mind them. I want them to be growing out, so I'm not gonna shape them for a while. Ooh, that's in. And then I do a little spray. Uh-oh. And then, oh, that feels so good. And I'm sure my face is gonna look much better. And then after, I'm gonna put some. These are, I've used them before. I may use a different pack because that one is ain't good. So I'll use the green. Oh, this is new. So I can use this one. I need to get some more. And then it's gonna sit on my face. This is how we do it. This is how we do it, baby. This is how we do it. Oh, that feels so good. There you go. Ta! Guys, one. So today is Thursday. It's Thursday. You're so up and close in my business. Let's put you like that. Yeah. So today is Thursday. I just came back from work. And I came back with a headache. Because you know what? Today is 24 degrees. It's so hot. I have my fan in the front room going to cool down the place. Oh my god. And because it's so hot, everyone comes out. The place was packed with people. Oh my god. The sun's out, people comes out. Make the store so extra busy. But coming home from work today, I saw an accident. Oh my god, this lady was running down the bus. I always say never run down a bus because the next one is just behind. And don't run down man. But you know what? She fell, and the way I screamed, even the bus driver got scared till he just stopped the bus without even know what was happening. Because if he didn't, his back wheel would have run over the lady's foot. But thanks be, she only had the embarrassment of falling in front of so much people and a little pain. But in the end, she came on the bus. And then when she got off, because I was watching her the whole time, even my friend said, "Oh, why don't you ask her if she wants to go to the hospital?" Huh? Really? Me? Hey, she's old enough to know if she wants to go to the hospital. And I'm sure the people that was helping her outside, they asked her as well. And she said, no. She came on the bus, and when she was coming off, she wasn't hopping or anything. I guess the pain subsided and she was alright. But you know what? I can feel her pain because that happened to me. I was running. I always said, as I said, my rule, don't run down a bus. And you know when you want to go home and you see the bus, yeah? I was running down the flipping bus, hey. And my foot hit the other. And you know when it... I keep telling one of my friends, he laughs after me every day if I said I'm running down a bus. Let me tell you, yo, when I trip, yeah, and I was falling face and I hung on to the rubbish bin for dear life, and the rubbish bin was just sliding. It slide till it just bam and stop on the bus. I didn't fall on the floor, but everyone was looking. I was so embarrassed. Embarrassed is the thing. It's not what happened. But you know what? Thanks to God, she's fine. My day was like, so busy. I'm so exhausted. But you know what? It's not because of work why I'm exhausted. I got up about 3-4 o'clock to watch a live, some nine night thing that was happening in Jamaica that I wanted to see. So I blame myself with that. Now I'm gonna make some smoothie. I took out all my fruits from morning that I used the other day, minus the blackberry, because trust me, I never like how that one they look. It look like poo. It tastes good. It tastes good, but it didn't look good. And you know, people eat with their eyes. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna make this one. No blackberry for me. I make it with other fruits and see how this one comes out. I hope it comes out with a proper color, because we can't take the blackberry thing. No, it's too ugly. It's too dark and it's full of bare bits. And I didn't want to strain it, so want to eat with my eyes too, not only with my mouth. So I'm gonna use all the other ingredients. I'm gonna use it all up. But I did drink it though. Funny enough, I drank it. I drank it every morning. It finished this morning, so that's why I'm making this one. I don't really like the peach either, so I'm just gonna put. I don't like nothing, no. This girl is a bit funny. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like Tara's nut. Anyway, this is the mango. The mango make it so sweet, you know. Oh, if I was in Jamaica, I'd get the real thing. But you know what? I'm not. So the can will do. So let's see how this one comes out. I hope it doesn't have... Oh, I've got one more thing. I forgot. I've got some strawberries. That was frozen as well. So all I've got to do is add it to my thing. Let me cut off the leafy bits. And this is gonna be for like a breakfast drink every morning. I know I'm not on a diet. I don't know, but I don't diet because when I diet, my chest hurts me too much. And this girl like her food. But I'm not judging. Big up to the one that we can diet. My summer body is anybody I have for the winter. It's for the summer too. So let's see. I don't have to cook dinner today because I cooked yesterday already. This is how we do it. This is how we do it, baby. This color. This is the business. Yeah, so you know what? No more blackberry. The blackberry is changing the color and it's giving me too much bits. So I like this one. This one is good. So this is my drink every morning. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out this hair and relax. As I said, I've got a headache. And then I'm gonna heat up some dinner and sit in front of the TV and rest under the fan. Yeah, yes, I said fan. I know we live in England, but it's hot today. It's gonna be hot all weekend except Sunday. They said it's gonna rain. It's even gonna be hot Saturday, and I'm trying to get half day to work Saturday. It's a bit late to book the holiday, but they said they're gonna try. I just hope it works out. If then, I will be going out. Anyway, let me go rest up my body, my weak body, until I see you maybe tomorrow, maybe later, who knows. I've got some bits and bobs to do anyway, so hey, see you later. Hi guys, it's another day. Today is Saturday, and yes, I didn't vlog anything Friday because I did the same thing. I went to work, but now today's Saturday. I just came back from work. I got a half day holiday, so I just work half my shift, And now I'm ready. I'm ready because outside is hot and nice. So I think I did say that I was going to ask for half a day. Yes, and it was granted. So now I'm going to my girl's side where she lives, and we're going to go on the waterfront and chill just like everybody else, enjoying this weather because it's a hot day today. And you know, I'll take you along with me. So let me just hurry up and get ready and hit the road. Oh my god, it's so hot and the bus is overcrowded, and you know, we've got to do what we got to do. The light is so bad here, but I see you later. So this is my outfit of the day. White shorts with a white top, with my jeans hat and my jeans bag, and I've got my dupes. So let me put my bottle of ice, and then I'll be hitting the road.
Yeah.
Such a
And I say when it's near the end part, you know, I'm like, I think there's a museum or something. Be careful. That's what I'm thinking. Tour of Woolwich. So this is Woolwich Aresenal, and we are going to the waterfront. Yeah. This is museum. Yeah, museum on two sides. Soon reach to the waterfront. We're walking. Yeah.
And so this is the tour guide. Out and about.
This is the Woolwich cannons and things, and you know.
You're not a good tour guide, are you? Cannon and things.
I'm an English Jamaican tour guide.
Nice.
This is the bridge. Where outside we can go.
Oh, is that the...
And where you can go down to the boat.
Is the Uber board?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the TFL one too.
That is nice.
So you can walk down this way as well. But we're going down that way. That way is the grassy part where we can sit down.
Okay. Oh, look at my... You want a boyfriend?
Listen, I couldn't believe what happened. Even the water rise up too. Last night, all of this wasn't even so high.
Is it?
Yeah, the other day when I come.
So we go... Is this the waterfront?
Yeah.
What a waterfront we can go on. No, I mean go closer.
The only way to go closer is that way.
Okay.
Not you when you're coming back or...
Taking the Uber bus.
No.
Sonar
The sun is
shit.
still over there.
Money. Yeah. Well, Antoinette, I'm picnic in the park. I say, yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Music time.
Oh, you're gonna give me copyright. It's okay. When the music.
Okay.
No, when the music come on, I just.
The Bluetooth device is ready to
Kind of
pair.
easy. Anyway, we'll go for 90s reggae.
The Bluetooth device
Better not.
is connected
That's the
successfully.
next phone.
So the
Shall I
next,
play the next one? Yeah, I think I will.
so the next one can work without what do you call it?
I hope it comes on.
Without you know what I'm talking about, right?
Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna
hotspot.
fight. We're gonna fight. We're gonna find out. Let's see if it's working.
And what is? Oh, it's
Did
mine.
you ask for chili?
Yeah, but I said put it at the side.
Okay. Yeah, it's working. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it can work.
That's it. I'm a skilly skies.
Da 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 da.
Coming up.
Is that the champagne? All right.
Get it.
Them I try to get my laptop, but my brain only free to get my rocks up. Man, I forgot my bag just to get no props up. Me dig this out the mud from underground up, laptop. Them I try to get my laptop, but me used to up to the sky for knife rough. I forget me all because me not give one.
You don't have to be your friend. You have my music. You don't have to take care of my kids them.
Me know you want pussy from long time.
So me not to believe in a mankind. Me future brighter than sunshine. Just me only tell me one time. New level, new level. New level, new level.
So you had that.
Don't walk, don't try. When the first time. Kill up, come become the same. I love messing with a man, boy. When I land, I land so free. On the so far, so far, so good. Don't need a joke, let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you, the booga. Let me see you. Let me see you, the booga. Let me see you. Let me see you, the booga. Let me see you. Let me see you, the booga.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Hey! What?
Hi guys, so now I'm back home. It's about 10 o'clock. I had amazing time with my girl Nettie as always. Yo, today was so fun. We drink, we dance, we laugh. We had our own party, just the two of us by ourselves, my right and I. Anyway, I'm gonna close this vlog here. Gonna have a bath because this girl is going to bed and I'm gonna prepare dinner for tomorrow. So I'd like to thank you for watching my video. If you reached this far, please put a thumbs up and leave a comment. Until I see you in the next vlog, so peace out.